This is your teacher Haris Bhatt and you are seeing my YouTube channel Learn Accounting with Sir Haris. Right? देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ. The thing is this last minute tips for O-level students and IGCSE students for accounting subject, O-level accounting 7707, IGCSE 0452 accounting, the paper which is going to come tomorrow. First question, books of prime entry. Remember this, that the question from books of prime entry will definitely be being definitely combined with control accounts, right? Maybe you will ask you to pay purchase journal, sale journal, some part of petty cash book, and a T account of trade receivable and trade payable, along with some books of prime entry where you have been asked to tell the source document or the books of prime entry for the entries. An expense or income account, whenever expense or income account is going to be prepared, remember that you will not write prepaid brought down, accrued carried down, prepaid. They are the same things, I can understand, but you will write balance brought down. Either it is prepaid, balance brought down on the credit side, balance carried down, and remember this, I have seen so many scripts where the students, the marks have been deducted because of the reason that they have not shown the brought down balances. When the examiner has asked you to prepare purchase ledger control account, you have to write the brought down also. You have to write the expense and income account and the brought down also, because brought down carries 2 marks, especially in expense and income account, because of the both sides, they will come on the both sides. सेकेंडली, एक तो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम लोग जो है एक तो पढ़े लिखे नहीं है, ऊपर से समझना भी नहीं चाहते. बेटा कैश बुक क्वेश्चन और ट्रेड रिसीवेबल अकाउंट और पेटी कैश बुक you will be marked for the dates. Otherwise, for other questions like provision for doubtful debt, depreciation, current account, right, or the question of other T accounts which you need to prepare, like expense and income account even, right? You don't need to, you will not get marks for dates. Dates don't carry marks. अब यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग, हमारे तो कराची के टीचर ने कुछ और बताया था, हमारे इस्लामाबाद के टीचर ने कुछ और बताया था, हमें तो टीचरों ने बेटा बेटा बस कर दें, कर लो पढ़ाई बेटा, कर लो कमाई नहीं, कर लो पढ़ाई. क्यों बता रहा हूं? मेरे पास 20 से 25 स्क्रिप्ट्स हैं जो मैंने दोस्तों से ली हैं, मैंने देखी हैं, जिसमें बेतहाशा बच्चों ने डेट्स नहीं लिखी, एंड देयर विल बी नो डिडक्शन ऑफ एनी मार्क. डेट्स के मार्क्स नहीं है अनलेस कि वो जो क्वेश्चन है वो डेट वाइज चल रहा हो. इवन देन उन क्वेश्चंस के अंदर भी तमाम डेट्स का सिर्फ एक नंबर, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अकाउंट में ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट यू नीड टू राइट द करंट एसेट सेक्शन including all 3 raw material, work in progress and finished goods inventory, which is very important. Sometimes you miss that option. Purchase of finished goods and the questions which I have given in the workshop. Thank you very much for coming to the workshop. And the question of books of prime entry and the manufacturing question which I have given in the workshop, they are very important, right? Then the question of partnership accounts and the sole trader question, simple question of partnership or income statement of service business of sole trader might come in the paper. Then error question, as I discussed with you, control account, error question with a corrected trial balance or error question with effect on profit. Remember that how to find profit, effect on profit before correction, that is very, very important. What you will do, if whatever you do regarding effect on profit, go reverse of that. Simple. Whatever you do with the effect on profit, either you will add or less, go reverse of that, you will get the effect on profit before correction. You don't need to go to create a full cycle for that because you don't have that much time. So pick this option. Then in company accounts, you will find a question of income statement along with some part of statement of changes in equity. Remember that the interest portion in the partnership accounts, interest on loan is very important. The effect of interest on loan, it will come on the credit side of current account and it will be subtracted from the profit and income statement, not from appropriation account. It won't come in appropriation account, right? In ratios, remember that trade receivable turnover ratio, trade payable turnover ratio, if you will get an answer of 28.1, you will write 29 days. 28.1, you will write 29.8 to the next nearest whole number, you will go for that, right? Always remember that labeling has a part, labeling has marks. You have to label profit for the year, gross profit in full detail, you have to write it down. It is very important because labeling will carry marks. In control accounts, you don't need to write, you need to write the proper entry. like receipt from customer is not will not be accepted. You have to write bank over there. Then inventory turnover ratio should be written in times. Current ratio 2:1, 1:1, in that way. Return on capital employed ratio with a percentage. So these are the things, right? So these are the last minute tips and the paper I have discussed with you. Hopefully go for the some part of accounting concepts, capital and revenue expenditure, and some inventory valuation question for a quick, just quick revision, right? And I hope that you will do good in your exams. And inshallah I will upload the paper, guess of paper 3 and paper 4 tomorrow. And inshallah I will go with work with the workshop of AS and A2 also before the paper. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care. Feel free to ask me any question. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and on my YouTube channel, Learn Accounting with Sir Haris. My number is 0333 471 2897. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a nice day.